Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mosquitero Magnetico is probably one of the most essential home accessories for anyone living in areas plagued by pesky insects, offering a seamless blend of protection and convenience that traditional screens often lack, allowing you to enjoy fresh air without the unwanted company of mosquitoes, flies, and other buzzing nuisances, thereby enhancing your living space's comfort and tranquility. Number 5. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door. Tired of annoying bugs ruining your home's airflow? Introducing a revolutionary solution that keeps pests out while letting the fresh air in, effortlessly. Forget complicated setups. This innovative screen door can be installed in under 9 minutes, with no drilling required. It's render-friendly and easily removable. Enjoy a clean, modern look with our upgraded mesh. It features no visible lines, allowing sunlight and airflow to pass through while complementing your home's decor. With 52 powerful magnets, this screen door provides a gapless seal that closes automatically every time. Walk through hands-free, and let kids and pets move freely. Built to last, its reinforced edges and tough, 1mm micromesh are scratch-proof and resistant to wind. It effectively blocks even the smallest bugs, keeping your home comfortable. Before you buy, please measure your door to ensure a perfect fit for openings up to 38 by 82 inches. This ensures optimal performance for your new screen door. What we like? If you're looking for a sleek, modern look for your entryway, this is the one. Its reinforced mesh has no visible lines, offering a clean aesthetic. The 52 powerful magnets ensure a complete seal, keeping bugs out while allowing hands-free entry for you, your kids, and your pets. If you prioritize both style and function in your home, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The screen quality was solid, fit the door nicely, and kept bugs out effectively. The magnetic closure worked well and made it easy for both us and the dogs to pass through. The numerous magnets sewn into the screen are quite strong, allowing for easy access and perfect closing. There are weights on the bottom of the screen, which make it hang straight. It was an easy install. For the most part, you just want to make sure everything lines up evenly with the tape and Velcro. The mesh material is heavy but still has visibility through it, and the magnets holding the screen together are strong. Number 4. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door. Tired of pesky bugs ruining your relaxing evenings? Introducing a revolutionary screen door that keeps the insects out while letting the fresh air flow in. Enjoy your home without the annoyance of flies and mosquitoes. Forget complicated setups. This screen door is designed for ultimate convenience, with an easy installation process that takes less than 9 minutes. No tools or drilling required, making it perfect for any home. Built to last, this screen door features heavy-duty, double-stitched mesh that withstands the daily wear and tear from kids and pets. Its robust construction ensures it stays in place, even with frequent use. Experience true hands-free convenience with 52 powerful magnets that create a seamless seal. It automatically closes behind you, allowing easy passage for everyone, including your furry friends and little ones. Featuring an ultra-fine 1mm micromesh, this screen effectively blocks even the smallest insects like gnats and mosquitoes. Enjoy a bug-free environment while still benefiting from natural ventilation. To ensure a perfect fit, please measure your door size before purchasing. This screen is designed for standard single doors up to 38 by 82 inches. It's not suitable for garage doors. What we like? For those who need extra durability, this upgraded version is ideal. It features a tougher fiberglass mesh designed to withstand heavy use from pets and kids. Like the other option, it boasts a gapless magnet seal for excellent bug protection and easy, hands-free passage. If your household is particularly active or you have pets that are tough on screens, this offers enhanced longevity. What people say. The screen quality was solid, fit the door nicely, and kept bugs out effectively. The magnetic closure worked well and made it easy for both us and the dogs to pass through. The numerous magnets sewn into the screen are quite strong, allowing for easy access and perfect closing. There are weights on the bottom of the screen, which make it hang straight. It was an easy install. For the most part, you just want to make sure everything lines up evenly with the tape and Velcro. The mesh material is heavy but still has visibility through it, and the magnets holding the screen together are strong. Number 3. by.RHO Screen Repair Tape. Fix your window and door screens effortlessly with this easy-to-use tape. Simply cut, peel, and stick for a fast and hassle-free solution that anyone can complete in minutes. Made with non-toxic, VOC-free, and heavy metal-free materials, this tape prioritizes your health and safety. It's a worry-free solution for creating a healthier home environment. Engineered with a durable 3-layer adhesive, this tape delivers superior strength and lasting performance. It firmly adheres to various surfaces, ensuring your repairs withstand daily use. Perfect for repairing screens on windows, doors, tents, and other mesh materials, this tape adapts to both indoor and outdoor uses. Its customizable sizes make it ideal for all your repair needs. Built to perform in extreme heat, freezing cold, and rainy conditions, this tape ensures your repairs stay intact over time. Made in Korea, it offers exceptional craftsmanship you can trust. What we like. If you have existing screens that are damaged, this repair tape is your go-to solution. It's incredibly easy to use, just cut, peel, and stick, no tools needed. The strong, weatherproof adhesive ensures a reliable fix for tears and holes in windows, doors, and other mesh materials. If you're looking for a quick, cost-effective way to mend your screens and keep bugs out without a full replacement, this is perfect. What people say. The magnetic closure is strong and keeps the mosquitoes out. Easy to install and fits perfectly on my window. The mesh is fine enough to prevent even small insects from entering. Number 2. Garage door screen 16 by 7 feet magnetic closure. Transform your garage into a comfortable living area. This screen keeps annoying animals and debris out while letting the fresh breeze in. Enjoy the convenience of walking through your garage door screen with ease. Strong magnetic closures and weighted bottoms ensure it seals perfectly every time. Set up your new garage screen in minutes. It comes with everything you need for a secure and instant installation, no tools required. Crafted from premium, tear-resistant fiberglass mesh, this screen is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and the elements. Designed to fit garage openings up to 16 by 7 feet, it's ideal for a variety of uses. Please measure your opening before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. With added gravity sticks for wind resistance and reinforced edges, this screen offers superior durability and a secure seal. What we like. If you want to transform your garage into an extra living space, this is the product you need. It's specifically designed for garage doors, offering a large coverage area and a weighted bottom for stability. The magnetic closure allows for easy entry and exit, keeping pesky animals and dust out. If you're looking to enjoy your garage as a workshop, gym, or hangout spot without the bugs, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. It was very easy to install. I really liked the quality of the tight knitted screen. The quality of the glue used on the back of the Velcro was excellent. This is an excellent screen for a 16-foot garage opening. The magnets that hold the two sides together may not seem strong, but they are very robust. Compared to the other options, this was the only one that had built-in weights at the bottom of the screen, which IMO is a must. I also have to give a shout out to the magnetic closure. It is really well executed and provides a perfect zero-gap closure. Number 1. NeatiEase Adjustable DIY Magnetic Window Screen. Introducing the NeatiEase Adjustable Magnetic Window Screen. Enjoy a custom fit for any window, providing a barrier against insects and debris. Crafted with high-quality, fire-retarded fiberglass mesh, this screen is built to last. It ensures safety and longevity for your home. Experience a secure fit with its powerful magnetic sealing technology. This ensures no gaps are left, keeping unwanted pests out effectively. The screen is designed for convenience. It's easily replaceable and washable, making maintenance a breeze. We stand by our product's performance. Enjoy a lifetime warranty on the magnet attraction, giving you peace of mind. What we like. If you have uniquely sized windows or need a flexible solution, this adjustable DIY screen is a great option. It fits various window sizes and features a high-quality fiberglass mesh with powerful magnetic sealing. The screen is also replaceable and washable, offering long-term convenience. If you value adaptability and a product backed by a lifetime warranty on magnet attraction, this is an excellent choice for keeping your windows bug-free. What people say. The magnetic mounting makes it easy to take on and off if I want to use my AC unit. It's sturdy enough to not let in the birds and wasps and not let my cat out. Assembly and installation appears daunting on first glance for someone like me with 10 left thumbs, but was really straightforward. The whole thing looks like it wouldn't hold together prior to assembly, but stick with it, because it works a charm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.